Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss some important concepts of Excel. This is the face of an Excel sheet. We call this a single sheet as an spreadsheet and an entire book called a workbook. So if you want to increase the sheets, if we click on this plus icon, we'll be getting more sheets. So one or more sheets called as an workbook. A single sheet is called as a spreadsheet. So we call this as a spreadsheet, and these are the ribbons, a home page where we get a icons, a conditional formatting features, and what are the feature an Excel provides us. And I have made a separate video on this part which ribbon contains. So I'll upload that video in upcoming videos. So today we are going to start with a simple calculation and what first formula usually Excel users learn with. So simple and how to use it. So usually this is a particular active cell. Active cell is nothing but where we usually use or start typing. So today we'll start learning with a sum function. So you have given a simple example of calculating the sum. Here is I have taken some sample of products to know how we can calculate sum. So usually what we do to calculate the total of the product or total of some of the amount, we calculate manually, or we use a calculator. Like we add 500 plus 1000 plus 1500, we use a calculator. But in Excel sheet, if we use a function called sum. So in all the formulas, before giving an enter, we need to use a symbol called equal. This equal symbol is mandatory in calculating the function. So equals sum, it already shows what you have to do. So usually we open a bracket. What we need to do, we have to just click and drag the entered amount. So okay, if you give an enter, you'll get the total. So it's a simple method where I'll show you one more time. Here, to calculate the total of the product, you need to give an equal. Equal is mandatory for every formula. Equals sum. It will show you the what you have to do, what you have to click, what the sum actually needs. So open bracket, click the entire cell or the amount which you need. If you give an enter, you will get the total amount, which is simple and easy. To highlight this, I'll make a separate video, so I'll show you here. To highlight this, you can, here in a ribbon page, you'll be having a arrow mark like this. If you click on that, and you can give whatever the color you need. For a simple example, I'll give an yellow. So you can highlight this one like this. Or if you want, we can also make this as a table. There is also a separate feature of making a table. Here if you want, you can give a border. Here in a ribbon page itself, home page, you'll be having a box like symbol. If you click on that, you'll be having like all borders, no borders. If you want, you can click on that, it will convert into a table. So this is a simple calculation of calculating, or simple function of using sum function. Simple, easy, basic. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you all understood.